Hello, everybody. Now I'm going to show you how to make a TNT cannon. So, first you want to put 6 pieces, no, not TNT cannon, anvil cannon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You want to put 6 pieces TNT cannon. This one here. There. There. And then don't need that just yet. So you're gonna want water, because everything needs water if you're doing it with TNT. And then you want to sort of put it out like that. You're gonna need 9 repeaters, I think. Yeah, 9. So then down, but you can't do this, but it doesn't really matter. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then you're gonna do this, then that, and that, and go there, and take these all to max power. It's probably one of the most easiest anvil cannons in the game. Oh, it was the sound as well. And now you want a button just to finish it off, and it shoots pretty far. Boom! It's just a little cool TNT cannon. Hope you learned something. If you did, like the video, and if you want to see more, subscribe.